Thank you, Abdullah, for that piece. And now I know that many will agree that Zumba has gained popularity over the year in the country, with the number of people turning to it so as to get fit. The dance and fitness routine, which originated in Colombia, has seen millions take part in it. So, is Zumba really a sport, or is it just a dance?
The term Zumba is not an unfamiliar term when it comes to fitness and workout. Zumba is a dance routine that helps people in their workout, and it first originated in Colombia under Beto Perez. We sought to find out if Zumba is really a dance routine or it's a sport.
Zumba has seen a spiral growth in the country since its introduction. The fitness routine has quickly grown to one of the most popular group exercises on the planet, with over an estimated 12 million people taking part in it. The dance routine, which has its root in Colombia, has left many wondering whether Zumba is a dance or can it be considered as a sport.
It cannot be compared to sport because there are no two parties involved here at one. Because normally we go to a class where there is an instructor who normally guides you on what to do. Unlike in the sports where you have maybe like in football where there are two parties, there is a team A and team B who are competing maybe for one common goal, maybe to score.
For an activity to be considered as a sport, it must have a competition, and there must be a governing body in which there should be physical activity, and there must be an institution.
Others come to the Zumba class for maybe stress relief. Others come to the Zumba class for workout. Others come to the Zumba class to interact with their friends, you know. So it depends with the individual goals. So,
zoezi ilikuwa ukifikiria kwenda zoezi unafikiria ni kitu ngumu sana, lakini kwa sasa hii Zumba imerahisisha hiyo mentally.
Zumba, despite not being a sport, however, has numerous advantages to an individual and sportsman as well.
In Zumba there is also endurance, of which it's very much relevant to those people who maybe who do the sport like football.
Mtu yote anaweza fanya Zumba, whether uko kwa sports, whether hauko kwa sports, waweza fanya Zumba kwa sababu Zumba ni mazoezi.
With more people craving to keep fit, the roots of the dance routine will continue to spread across the country. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports.